This video shows the differences between our FineLine and Silhouette series of keychains. The newly released Silhouettes are a lower cost option, which instead of sacrificing the quality of our products, we simply turn the dial back on our FineLine design to be able to manufacture them quicker. Let's talk about the similarities first. Both keychains are made out of carbon fiber epoxy composite that we manufacture in-house. Both are offered in either our gloss or satin finishes. They are both the same scale. They both come with our black satin split ring with our laser etched logo. Both can be had in any car or truck design of your choice. Now, on to the differences, working from the most obvious to the least. First, the price. It may seem unproportionate that the Silhouettes are so cheap, or on the other hand that the FineLines are much more expensive. This is actually directly reflected upon how much time it takes us to make each one and our scrap factor. The more variables and steps it takes us to manufacture a part, the more chances there are of something going wrong, and subsequently not passing our strict quality standards. Next, one of the most obvious physical attributes is that the FineLines are precision engraved with the details of the car, hence the name FineLine. Another difference is that the FineLines are double-sided, meaning that both sides of the keychain have the same smooth surface, while the Silhouettes have a rough textured surface on the back. The Silhouette keychains are slightly thinner than the FineLine keychains, allowing us to save time and material costs when manufacturing the sheet. When machining the FineLine keychains, we use a smaller diameter end mill, resulting in more detailed contours of the card's shape, but also increasing the machining time due to us having to slow the speeds to prevent the fragile bits from breaking. The last difference is that the FineLine has the option for adding a custom engraving on the backside, while the Silhouettes do not. I hope this video has answered some of your questions about these products. If you want more, head on over to our website at STEVS.ca where you can find more photos and information, as well as a ton of other things related to carbon fiber, car culture, and design. Thanks for watching.